Let me know in the comments, what things have you guys done to reinforce your hard bodies so they don't shatter and break apart so often? Let me know. Let's get into it. Hello RC hobbyists, and thank you for dropping into this episode of Hobby Drop. Today we're running the beautiful new build that I just finished painting. It's an old build, fresh body, fresh paint job, and I'm pretty excited about it. We're gonna go ahead and hit up the old cliff's edge, break it in real good, and we're gonna try to avoid taking any slams because this print came out so nicely that I'm nervous it's gonna break. So I had a lot of fun making this body. I tried, so this is a 3D printed body, but I tried to get it smoothed out and sanded and polished up nicely so that it looks like a regular, like, hard body that you could purchase at the store. But yeah, I had the spider web idea, thought that would be something fun, and I was actually gonna do it. Dude, the breakover angle on this Reaper makes me so happy. Let's actually try backing up. This is super tippy. So what I'm gonna try and do is hook this ledge. There we go. To help keep the truck planted. However, we are sliding. I need to be in catch position so I don't explode this body on the first obstacle. Sheet further towards the edge. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Okay, that technique worked out. Now we're gonna get axled out. Nice. So I'm trying to break up the Red Cat Ascent content a little bit for you guys. Oh, that was close. That was real close. Yeah, I'm trying to break up the Red Cat Ascent content so that it's not just video after video of the same truck. So that's why we're spicing it up with some content on these other trucks. Although that Ascent, man, I'm excited about it. So I got to try and brace myself a little bit, or not brace. Pace, that's the word. Pace myself. So you can see we're taking the alternate lines for Cliff's Edge here. There we go. Come on, that's got to be it. Come on. Get the hook. Oh no. Oh. When I stripped this truck down, I forgot to put my Velcro back in there, but yeah. So this body, 3D printed, but like for the most part, except for in these little detail areas, it's pretty smooth. I wanted to try and make it better because the red body was brutal, so I wanted to try and make it prettier. And so I did a Bondo slurry on this, a couple layers, sanded it down, and painted it all red, then threw on the spiderweb vinyl. And then painted over it with white. And then lastly, I put some clear coat on it, just to try and hold the paint in so it doesn't chip off where the vinyl, where the webbing is. So that's what we did with this build. Let me know what you guys think of the new body. Dang, this obstacle kicked my butt last time too. It's been a while since I've driven the Reaper. It's been pulled apart for this paint job. I told myself, you know what, Zach, I've got time. I've got other trucks. I don't need to try and rush getting this one done. So that's why it's been a minute since you've seen the Reaper. Dang. Do you guys love the obstacles that sometimes you can get up easily and sometimes they kick your butt? Or do they bother you? I feel like for me it's irritating. But I guess it's a nice challenge at the same time. Man, this truck, so awesome. Can't be scaring myself like that. I'm waiting to hear back from, I got to get this video posted so I can hear back as to how you guys preserve your bodies, and then I'll make the changes necessary so this doesn't break apart, hopefully. Yeah, I just want to let you guys know I really do appreciate the input that you give. I learn from you guys. It's cool to hear the different, parts and things that you guys use. Obviously every area is different in terms of what are going to be the best performing components, but so I didn't love how the rock sliders stuck out so far with this body, so I widened it up a little bit from the previous body, and I like it. It could have been a little bit wider, but I actually like the idea of keeping the body real narrow. Alright, come on, settle down. That front end's lifting on me. There we go. Just letting them tires work. Rocks are a little bit colder today. There we go. Bob and weave my way back and forth. Uh-oh. Maybe cheat over this way. Just kind of finding what the tires want. Where they want to hook up. Or lifting. Alright, taking a reset. Let's hit it with a little more speed. There we go. A little speed got the job done much easier. So I definitely don't have my hiking shoes on today. So we're gonna take the alternate line and avoid the major cliff. Really the crowning event of Cliff's Edge. We're gonna skip that today. So instead we're gonna take a little right here and come up this ledge and see if we can't tackle this obstacle. Took our first roll over of the fresh paint job, but I think we made it through all right. All right, weird when you do the same line, the same thing happens. So let's try a different line. See if we can get those rear tires to slide over. There we go. Okay, now that it's under, now that we're not quite so sideways, let's see if we can make the climb. All right, here our passenger tires get to start hitting the ledge. We're losing our driver ledge. Come on. Dang, and we're down completely. Come on. It's a battle between that tire and that rear ledge. Alright, this is making me a little nervous here. So our tires are up, but now we're hitting right on the links, so we'll take a slight reverse. Let's see if we can't kind of, dang it, it's pushing us away from where I want to go. Alright, 2 tires up. There we go. If I can hit this at this angle right here. There we go. Come on, baby, I have faith. Once those Reapers get the front tires up, we're game busters. Yes, sir. Good get, good get. I don't know what all those loose rocks are. Whew. Avalanche. Nice. Side hill on over. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Red Cat Ascent videos. coming soon. We're having a lot of fun with that budget build. We'll catch you next time.